Hi everyone, Dave Matthews here from Gaui Helis.co.uk. Really excited today to be doing an unboxing video on the new helicopter from Gaui, which is the NEX6. Amazing thing about this helicopter is it's nitro and electric. As you can see, it's still got the cellophane on, so I'm just going to go and get the cellophane off, open the box and see what's inside. Before I get started, just to show you the specs. The engine you can use with this, OS50, OS55 or YS60. Standard servo size, main blade length 550 to 610, tail blade 92 to 95 millimeters, total weight 3.1 kilograms. You can see it there with the nitro. Very good box art. It's nice to see companies doing box art like this. You know, it shows that the company put a lot of work into the product. You know, and if they spend money, you kind of worry a little bit when you get just a box with no box art or anything, plain looking. And then if you look on the other side, it's the helicopter in its electric spec. It's also upgradable to 12S 22.2 37,000 milliamp motor, 4025 500 520 kV, a standard 10 kilogram or above. Total weight with that upgrade is 3.7 kilograms. As standard in the electric form, power system is LiPo battery 6S 22.2 5000 milliamp. So let's open the box and see what we got inside. So everything looks well packed. There's airbags in there. So here is the tailbone. Really good finish on that. You can see the logo there on the boom. Very nice anodized finish, and the tail push rod inside. And the detailed instruction manual with some extra stickers. You can see from those of you who are familiar with model helicopters, you will recognise this. But very detailed instruction manual going right through the process. And then with the nitro upgrade, there is an additional instruction pack. So let's have a look at the canopy. Very well wrapped. Inside we've got the Gaui main blade holder. Looks very good. And this is the canopy. Very nice paint finish. No nasty runs in it. Very well finished indeed. A little bit thin, but all in all, very good quality. And carrying on. There's a little tiny tear in that packet, not sure why. But this is the mainframe set. No sharp nasty edges on it, very well presented and very nice finish on the carbon. And the same for those. And in there, I don't need to open all of the packets, but that's your tail fin set, and the rest of the main frame, which the landing gear bolts to. And this looks like the tail assembly part. That's the tail rotor assembly. It's a little bit disappointing to see that in plastic form. There is a CNC upgrade. Perhaps if you put in the comments if you'd like to see that as a standard metal part, you know, CNC tail rotor, put it in the comments and maybe we can persuade Gaui to supply it in that form. Boom support and the tail push rod guides. And there we've got tail output shaft, plastic tail blades, pretty stiff, pretty sturdy. Most of you will upgrade to carbon straight away, I would have thought, and throw those in the bin, but at least they're in there. And there is the tail drive belt and the tail gearbox housing. Again, you would like to see this in standard form as a metal part, really, but you know, I'm sure that there is an upgrade for that. Okay, this is the main bag of goodies. So here is the main shaft, and a few of these parts I'm going to get out and have a quick look at just to see what the machining quality is like. Generally, if the machining quality is good on a couple of the parts, it'll be the same for all of the parts. So and it's a hollow main shaft, very, very nice quality. The machining is very, very good. And here we have the swash plate. Again, good quality. Machining is very, very good, very well finished. Everything looks very well made. We've got the packet with the gears in, the mainframe connectors, etc. Just taking out the main rotor so that we can get a good look at that. And as you can see, very, very well machined. There's no horrible, nasty machine marks. It really is very, very well made. So I won't bore you with showing you every individual machine part. So we have landing skids, the rest of the frame joiners, etc., servo mount, battery or gyro tray, neutral, the main gear, and there is the nuts and bolts packages, the main frame joiners, and the take-off gear for the tail drive, and then the push rod and ball link sets. And that completes what is in the box bar. This is the package with the tail boom support and the landing skids, and then here you can see the red anodized boom support ends, and just another little look at the extra stickers that you get with it. So we're going to move on now and look at the package, which is an upgrade, but GauiHelis.co.uk are going to be offering this NEX6 with the nitro package as a package deal. And if you can put some comments in the box to see whether you'd like us to put together a package which would include a CNC tail rotor setup. So the next piece we're going to look at is the engine upgrade part that comes. Yeah, this is an extra, so when you buy the NEX6 kit you don't get this. Like I say, GauiHelis.co.uk, we're going to fully support the NEX6 helicopter. We're looking at supplying this as a package. Also, if you put in the comments below if there are helicopters that you would like us to support, you know, just put it in the comment box and we shall see what we can do. So here is the instruction sheet for the nitro conversion. Most of you will be familiar with this, particularly if you've been doing it for a while. I'm not going to get all of the machine parts out of the packets because we've already seen that the machining is very, very good quality. So we've got the clutch bell housing, the clutch, but yeah, all of the necessary parts to go onto the engine crank. And we have the cooling fan with the fan shroud, extra bits there to hold it together. Fuel tank, decent size, looks as if it comes with the clunk and most of the fittings. No fuel line to go to the engine, so obviously you'd need to get that as an extra, and most of you will want to run a header tank as well. But anyway, that's a decent sized fuel tank. I would imagine that'll give you about 8 minutes or so flight time. And then your extra push rod set. Everything really well packaged. like I say, the machine quality of the stuff is brilliant. So really excited to get it built and see how it flies. Thank you for watching the video. Click subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you very much.